Oh yeah. Here you go, Andrew. I got you one. And I had to grab this too. Oh yeah. Let's see what we can get. Welcome back, friends. We got a pack of Journey together here that we picked up at the vending machine just a little bit ago. Let's go ahead and get into it and see who we can pull. Wow, that opened really easily. The foil's just like old on this or something weird. Alright, let's see, I'm gonna guess electric energy. Ah, grass. Alright. Well, ends there. Maka, Noibat, Geodude, Lotad, Chinchino, Maractus, my favorite cactus, Toad's cool, a reverse Fat Bunny, Copperajah, and a Wailord. Alright, thanks for watching. See you back at the next pack.